So in this video, we're going to learn how to write an equation of a line given a slope and a point. And again, just to remind you about the slope, it describes the steepness of a line and how steep a line is. And since we have the slope and we have a point, so we can get the equation like slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b, and we have a slope here which is 3, so we can just like substitute m by 3, and we need to find b. Well, we can use the point that we have here. It's given to us, which is x and y, which is x and y. So we're gonna substitute y by 7 here, right? And we're gonna substitute x by 2, right? So we're gonna substitute y by 2 in order to find b. So it's gonna be like 7 equals 3 times 2 is 6 plus b, and we're gonna subtract 6 on both sides here, and we're gonna get to 1. Right? We're gonna get b equals 1. So the equation of a line will be y equals 3x plus 1. So there is another way. No, we just use like slope-intercept form in order to find the equation of a line. So that's called slope-intercept form, right? Slope-intercept form. And we can use like point slope form to find when we have like one point and a slope. And this is another way how you find the equation of line. So this is called like point slope form. Point slope form. Right? And this is like when we have like y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, right? And we have m, so we have m, which is, so the slope, which is 3, and we can have the point that we have here, which is 2 and 7, as x1 y1, so we can plug the slope and the point here. So we're gonna have like y minus y1, which is 7, right, equals m will be 3, right, times x minus x1, which is 2, right? And in this case, now we're just gonna solve for y. So we're gonna have like y equals minus 7 equals, we're gonna distribute 3 with x and 3 with -2, and we're gonna have like 3x minus 6. So we're gonna add 7 on both sides here, and this is gonna be gone. So we're gonna have y equals 3x plus 1, and this is exactly the same equation as we got by using the slope-intercept form. So again, there are like two ways how we do this. We can use slope-intercept form, or we can use point slope form. Now let's see how you graph. Let's look at we're gonna use like what we have from the point and the slope to graph this equation of line. Again, we're gonna expect to have the line will be increasing like this one here, like this, this way, because the slope, which is 3, is positive, is greater than 0. So I'm going to expect the slope will be, the line will be increasing. Now let's see exactly how the line looks like. So let's start with the point. I got 2 and 7. So when x equals 2, all right, so x equals 2 and y equals 7. So y equals 7, and this is going to be my starting point. That's going to be 2 and 7. And I got the slope is 3. Now 3 means it's change in y over change in x, right? So change in y over change in x. So we get m equals 3, that's 3 over 1. That's going to be change in y over change in x. So here we have the starting point. So delta y over delta x, and we have like 3 delta y. Change in y is 3, so we're gonna go up by 3 units, right? So we're gonna go up by 3 units. It's gonna be like 1, right? 1, 2, and 3. And we have over delta x, which is change in x is 1 unit. So we're gonna go to the right by 1 unit right here, and that's gonna be my second. That's gonna be my second point. And I will connect both points here. So both points I will connect right here. It's gonna be okay. So let me just try it again here. So it's gonna be all right. So this is gonna be the equation of a line.